Hey everyone, back again. Figured I'd give you a review of my Lectric Ebike. Of the Lectric XP. And as you can see, I didn't wash it all up. It's exactly how I use it. In the condition it's in. We're being hauled around, stowed away. Nicks, scratches, dusty, dirty. So I've had it for a year now, and I'm not paid by them, just to let you know, so it's my honest opinion. And I always wish the battery life was longer, but considering its size and how it folds up into a compact package for stowing, I understand the battery size. It's got a hub motor that's rated at 500 watts, but it's underrated. So most people think it's about 750 watts on their peak, you know, so it's got plenty of acceleration and plenty of power to turn those fat tires on there, which were great in the desert here. Had no issues. I bent my light there a little bit, but it works great. Tail light works awesome. And just out here, Quartzite, I've put about 70 miles on it. Let's see if I can get that where you can see that screen here. Sorry about that. How's that? There you go. It's got 7 forward speeds for pedaling. So only when you're pedaling those speeds make a difference. It's got different levels of pedal assist, 1 through 5. I usually run it on 5, and you can see there's my phone holder right there. It opens up and got the safety straps that go around the phone, you know, on the corners. Works really good. Your controls right there. Up, down, power. And your charging port down here. And I figured I'd show you how quickly it breaks down. So let me set up the tripod on this and let you watch me take it down. Alrighty, here we go. As you can see, the pedals fold up just like that. The handlebars, you lift this up, and they swing down like that. And as you can see on this side, this lever here, push that forward, pull it, and it folds right in half. It's got a little stand there in front so the sprocket doesn't hit the ground. Weighs about 60 pounds roughly. Seat's adjustable, handlebars are adjustable. And what do I think after using it for just a little over a year? I couldn't do without it. Works out great out in the desert here. I run to get my trash. I've hauled a water jug on it before. I kind of would like the pannier bags for it, and I'll probably eventually get those. And if Lectric E-Bikes is listening, they can send me one for free if they like, but I doubt that's going to happen. But as you can see, it's got nicks and scratches, but it's held up good. I've had no problems whatsoever. So what Would I recommend it? Yes, definitely. And if you're wondering what's going on in the desert out here, you can see behind me, Sophie's over visiting her friend, Val, over there. But about the same number of people at La Posa South. If you get in closer to town, to La Posa West and North, there's a few more people there, closer into town. There's a few more vendors set up. I wouldn't say they're all there. The Mesa RV is starting to bring in more rigs, so we've got a couple weeks here, and probably start setting up that big tent, and then I'll bring you more videos from there if y'all are interested in that. And I've got some other interesting stuff I'm gonna film for you too, so if you have any suggestions on stuff you'd like to see, be sure to comment. I look at all your comments and I respond to as many as I can, so. And if you have any questions, be sure to ask too on what my rig. And of course, you can see my 87 Toyota back there. And my solar system, if you want any stats on that or anything like that, I'll probably do another video on that, and my refrigerator and freezer setup that I have. My heating system, things like that, coming up soon here. But that's about all I got for you right now. I'm working on something else later on today, and we'll bring that to you as soon as I can. Have a great day. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. We'll talk to you later.